Hello viewers, we have brought to you the top 3 best portable air conditioners review powered by the Fairviews Review. Number 3, our 10,000 BTU portable air conditioner can cool and dehumidify areas up to 200 square feet. It can deliver optimum cooling, provide dehumidification and fresh ventilation function as well as a 4-speed fan. The function remote control allows you to operate each feature from across the room. Unlike a fixed air conditioner unit, the portable air conditioner requires no permanent installation and the smooth gliding caster wheels provide easy mobility from room to room. A special sleep mode setting allows you to control the temperature for comfort during the night. Number 2, the EdgeStar 70-pint portable dehumidifier with drain pump depth 700 WP is the best choice for maintaining proper humidity levels in your home. This efficiency dehumidifier is designed to cleanse spaces up to 1,500 square feet, pulling up to 70 pints of moisture from the air in a 24-hour period. You can utilize the depth 700 WP almost anywhere. Included mobile casters allow for convenient portability while the internal drain pump expels moisture up to 16 feet away. Number 1, once this compact dehumidifier reaches your desired humidity level, its compressor and fan will shut off to reduce noise and help save on energy. There is no need to worry about chilly ambient temperatures. The depth 700 WP is engineered with FrostGuard and auto-defrost functions for a fully functional operation. UrbanNet 41F, complete with an electronic LED display, adjustable humidistand and washable polypropylene filter. The EdgeStar 70-pint portable dehumidifier will keep your space comfortable, clean and most importantly, healthy.